So today's video is actually a lock update. I did my hair exactly a month ago and I'm already taking it out. I just want to do an update on how my hair is looking so far.
Hey gems, it's Cassjcass. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to waste time telling you to do something that you already know. Hint and hint again.
This is how it looked when I first got it done. This is how it looked 2 months after, before I got my hair in this twist. And now I'm just going to take them out, just record the process for myself. I'm gonna do this one just to show how careful I have to take it out. Like for the hair itself, I don't care how it comes out, but when it gets to my hair, whew, that's something I had to be super careful, because I didn't want to take it out like you do with natural hair. Well, my hair is natural, but like regular hair, I would say. I didn't want to take it out like that just for me to be ripping off the twist that's under it. So I do have a lot of rubber bands in my hair, so I just cut them off because I'm like, I'm not dealing with all that. So here is my twist, and my hair is super dirty. I try to just pull it off, but I don't know why I crocheted everything. Okay, the hair is sticking out, but oh my goodness, my hair is so dirty. And oh man, oh no, these all the hair from the twist. Okay, so now see how dirty my hair actually is? It's terrible. So now I just take each twist, just pull them apart. That is one thing I was so afraid of. Oh no. Okay. See all these. Oh no. What was I doing with my hair? Okay, as you can see here, my hair is disgustingly dirty. And the thing is, I can't wash it yet. I've made the decision not to wash it. Okay, so let's take the rest out to see. So everything has been taken out, and I did find that all these things happen mostly in the front and in the back because of the products that I put. So my hair is super dirty, maybe the dirtiest it's ever been right now. First, I didn't fully wash it good after I took the pink out, so that was one thing. And then second, I'm not going to wash it. Am I doing this right? Because I honestly don't know what I'm doing, and I think I'm depraving my hair of self-care right now, of good care at least. But yeah, so I'm not going to wash my hair because it's not time yet, and I did make a deal. So this is my hair, how it's looking right now, and the back as well. The back doesn't look too bad in my perspective, but I do think that some of them in the side here is getting taken out by themselves. Like they're struggling right now, but let's see what I can do. Okay, in case you didn't catch this, that was a transition. Okay, but this is my hair right now. This is how it's looking. Doesn't it look healthy-ish? So this is how it's looking right now. I only just sprayed water, that's all I did to get them to lay down. But yeah, so my hair growth, this picture I took it before, like right after I did my hair. I took it, I think I used this strand of hair. But yeah, so as you can see where that hair was, and then this is where it is now. So there is a little growth, you know. So but yeah, so that was 3 months apart. Dang, wow, 3 months apart, that's how they grew. I mean, I guess that's good enough. I do think I might have to go to a professional to get my hair retightened, because I think it will need it, and I don't want to freeform my hair. I need it to look good. And I don't know, well, we'll see when we get there, because it might take me a whole week to do my hair, and I don't know if I'm gonna have that kind of time or patience. But yeah, so this is it for the video. This was my hair update, I guess 3-month update. But yeah, so let me know what you think though. Let me know what you think. I do like, you know, this. I feel like it's getting fuller though. It's just the shrinkage though. Nah, we can't do that. Like, why can't my hair just fall like that? Like, I would love it like this. And then like on the side too, like what's going on here? Look at this. I do not appreciate that. I do not appreciate it at all. Like, I want, what is that? But yeah, I guess it is what it is. I can't wait for a retightening, you know, to give my hair a little more length. But yes, this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for following my hair journey. If you've been there before, please give me some tips. Am I making the worst mistake of my life of waiting 6 months to get a retightening? Let me know that, because I do deeply feel like I am. But you know, it is what it is. You know, you won't know until you try it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There will be more. Maybe the next one is going to be me actually putting them back and you know, protective style before the 6 months, because we still have 3 months to go. And working like that 3 months, I don't know, because when I wake up in the morning, my hair be like this. It be, you know, doing all kind of styles. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.